March 30th, 2025. I'm in Norwich, Connecticut, the Norwich town section, and I'm just going to do a short video about this, featuring this Norwich town Grange. This building is slated for demolition, so I wanted to get it on video before it was taken down. Alright, I'll simulate walking up to the front doors. And I'm going to take a walk around the building, because once they demolish this thing, this will probably be the only video of this building in existence. So let's get this thing in the history books. I've already got photographs of it. But we got to get video. They seem to have a decent amount of land back here. I assume it's owned by the Grange. All right, let's center this thing up. There it is. It's behind the Grange, the Norwich town section of Norwich, Connecticut. There's a fire escape. There's a door up on the second floor, and there's a door right here. The building is in disrepair, obviously. You can see these bricks right here need to be repointed, but I'm sure this could be rehabilitated. Look at that step, that big hunk of slate. Let's get another angle. It's right next to a Shell gas station. My understanding is they're going to put a Dunkin Donuts in here. There's another door on the side of the building. Again, this is in disrepair. There's that door. All the siding is coming off the building. Looks like an old hatchway that leads down to a basement right there in the center of the frame. Well, this is just a quick video to capture a last look at the Grange in Norwich town. Let's see if I can get back. I gotta be careful. This is a very busy area. There we go. The door says 174, but the number above the door says 172. West Town Street. All right, here's an old flea market sign. Flea market today. It's an old busted up sign in front of the Grange. I'll get one more wide shot. There it is. Let me take a look down the road here. And we'll sweep over. And take one last look at the Grange before it's torn down, demolished, and replaced with a Dunkin Donuts. That's the end of the video.